Tech Specs. Hello friends. Today we are going to see the specifications of Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. Key specifications. RAM 6GB. Processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G. Rear camera 108MP plus 8MP plus 2MP plus 2MP. Front camera 16MP. Battery 4820 mAh. Display 6.67 inches. General specifications. Launch date March 24, 2021. Brand Xiaomi. Model Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. OS Android version 10. Custom UI MIUI. SIM slots Dual SIM, GSM plus GSM. SIM size, SIM 1, Nano. SIM 2, Nano. Hybrid network 5G, supported by device 4G, available 3G, available 2G, available. Fingerprint sensor. Yes. Quick charging. Yes. Design. Height 165.3 mm. Width 76.8 mm. Thickness 9 mm. Weight 215 grams. Colors: lake light autumn scenery, blue sea, silent sky. Waterproof, splash-proof. Display. Screen size 6.67 inches. Screen resolution 1080 x 2400 pixels. Aspect ratio 20:9. Bezel-less display with punch-hole display. Pixel density 395 ppi. Display type IPS LCD. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Screen protection Corning Gorilla Glass version 5. Touch screen. Capacitive touch screen, multi-touch. Screen-to-body ratio 84.61%. Storage. Internal memory 128 GB. Expandable memory up to 512 GB. Performance. Chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G. Processor Octa-core 2.2 GHz, dual-core, Creo 570 plus 1.8 GHz, hexa-core, Creo 570. Architecture 64-bit. Graphics Adreno 619. Pixel density 395 ppi. RAM 6 GB. Main camera. Camera setup Quad. Resolution 108MP f1.75. Primary camera 8MP f2.2. Wide angle, ultra wide angle camera 2MP. Macro camera 1.75 micrometers. Pixel size 2MP. Depth camera 1.75 micrometers. Pixel size. Autofocus. Yes. Physical aperture f1.75. Flash, LED flash. Image resolution 12,000 by 9,000 pixels. Settings. Exposure compensation, ISO control. Shooting modes. Continuous shooting, high dynamic range mode, HDR. Camera features, digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. Video recording 3840 by 2060 at 30 fps, 1920 by 1080 at 60 fps. Front camera. Camera setup. Single. Resolution. 16 MP primary camera. Flash. Screen flash. Video recording. 1920 by 1080 at 30 fps. Battery. Capacity. 4820 mAh. Type. Lithium polymer. User replaceable. No. Quick charging. Flash, 33 watts, USB Type-C, yes. Network and connectivity. VoLTE, yes. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 802.11, MIMO. Bluetooth. Version 5.1, GPS, with a GPS, GLONASS. NFC, yes. USB connectivity. Mass storage device, USB charging. Multimedia. Loudspeaker. Yes. Audio jack. 3.5 mm, special features. Fingerprint sensor. Yes. Fingerprint sensor position. Side. Other sensors. Digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. Expected price. 17,999 rupees.